Okay, so we're just finishing up the rest of the ribbing and tightening everything up, and as you can see, so I'll show you how this goes so you can see. So there is a T-nut in here, there's a screw going in here, this is an anchor, and it goes through into the T-nut and then it clamps together. So the screw is we're using a use a ball nose hex driver. This is just an Allen key basically, if you haven't seen one of these before. You should have probably. But have a ball nose on the end, it will make your life a lot easier. So you're going to just slip it in there, it's going to catch, I've got it right in here, it's going to catch the hex screw, and I'm turning it to tighten it, and tightened all these. So there's two on this side, and then there's two on the opposite side. So there's four per corner on everything. So there, on these, there's four per corner. So this is pretty darn solid. Like I said, these things are 2x4s, essentially made out of aluminum. Same thing with the feet and the legs. I got the advice when I was buying this from CNC Router Parts about buying the leg kit. They strongly suggested it rather than building my own. Having done both, I kind of built my own, and then I looked at the sturdiness of it, and then I looked at the sturdiness of this. I totally agree with them. I highly recommend the leg kit. It's way faster. It's almost the same price, and it's sturdier. This is way sturdier than what I could have built myself. If you do decide to build it, glue the wood, screw the wood, and use mechanical external fasteners as well. Because you got to remember, that gantry over there, that's the gantry over here, and this is essentially a 4x6 piece of aluminum, okay, all one solid piece. That alone's about 80 or 90 pounds. Plus the rest of the gantry, once it's together, is going to end up being about 300 pounds. 300 pounds moving at 1200 inches per minute. That's going to shake loose just about anything. Imagine getting hit in the face with that. That'd knock you backwards on your butt. So considering how fast it's moving and how much weight's behind it, I really would suggest having this leg kit. So now all I'm going to do is there's these gussets here. The gussets are on underneath. They are on hex bolts bolted into T-nuts right here and here, and then they angle upwards to support the table. So I'm just going to bolt underneath and secure the remainder of this, and this thing will be rock solid.